Is Canva part of your business yet? Canva is so much more than graphic design these days, and Canva Pro is hands down one of the best investments I've made in my business, and it's not even that expensive. In fact, I love Canva so much that I recently decided to partner with them, and I'm now a Community Canvassador, which means that I'm going to be doing monthly tutorials on Canva here on the channel, and of course I'll still be doing the first looks when all the new fun tools and features come out. So what I thought I'd start with is a feature that's not really as sexy as some of the new magic features, but I literally use it in my business every single day, sometimes more than once. So stick around. Okay, so what I want to show you, it is a pro feature. It's part of the branding and brand kit feature that Canva has, and it's called brand templates. So first, let me show you how I use it, and then I will show you how you can create your own. So from your homepage, you're going to go ahead and click on brand. And again, you can see the little crown, which means it's a pro feature. And then you're going to go to brand templates. And here are some of the ones that I currently use. I'm going to show you the Pinterest one because that's the one I use literally every single day. So I went ahead in advance and I created a bunch of designs that I want to use regularly. I took some time to use some templates that either already existed or create something of my own, and I actually added my brand colors and fonts and everything to it so that they're ready to go. It's already got my URL on it. All that stuff is ready to go. So it's super plug and play, super simple. So like, for example, if I wanted to click on use this template, and then for this particular video, a complete guide to, and then let's just say using brand templates in Canva, then I'm just going to go ahead and change out this image and use something that's more in my brand style. So let's go ahead with, let's just choose that one. Oops. Let's go ahead with this one. And I'm just going to drag it into place a little bit better. And then that one's ready to go. Literally that fast. And you could do it from your mobile device as well. It's literally that simple. If you want to create your own, you have a couple of ways you can do that. So you can create it straight from here, or I'm going to show you if you just want to do it from anywhere. So you're going to go ahead and create a design just like normal. Let's go ahead with a YouTube thumbnail just for fun. And we'll just go ahead and pick a random one. And basically what you do is you come in here, you could change the background image, you could change, I'm just going to go ahead and change the colors. So I'm going to change all, and then let's go to the other one and let's pick a different one and change all. And then I'm going to change the font and make it my font. Okay, so it means it doesn't look amazing because it doesn't line up exactly the same, but you get the idea, right? You create your own branded template so that you don't have to do all of those changes every single time you use it. And then you're going to come into share. Now this is a little different if you started from the brand template page. From there, you would just have a big button here that says publish brand template. If you're doing it from a design that you already created that you didn't start on that page, you're going to go ahead and hit the share button. And then see right here how it says brand template. You're going to click that. Okay, somehow my audio just cut out at that point. But basically, you're going to hit that brand template button and you're going to go ahead and hit publish. And from here, you're going to be able to go over to that brand template folder. It does sometimes take a little bit of time for that to actually process through. So, so you might need to click this, kind of refresh it a couple times before you actually see it appear. And there you go. It's starting to come in. So it's still processing. So that preview that you're seeing on the rest of these will appear here eventually. But you can click it and see here's the template that we just created. And you'd be able to edit it straight from here if you needed to, or go ahead and click use this template and start using it. The online tools for your business do not need to be complicated or overwhelming. It's time to let it be easy.